Hello everyone, I'm Chiara from Spezzeria Palazzo Vecchio, and today I would like to talk to you about a concept rather than a disorder, namely longevity, that is, how to extend life expectancy and or slow down aging. This is a topic that arouses a lot of curiosity and fantasies, so much so that it has become one of the highlights of scientific research. At the base of the longevity of our organism, there are several scientific mechanisms. Today, we will focus on some of these. The first topic, it's about free radicals. Free radicals are waste molecules produced by oxygen metabolism. These molecules are very reactive and very unstable, and to recover their stability, they need to oxidize other molecules, and this does not always have a positive effect. Obviously, our body has mechanisms to defend ourselves from the action of radicals, but over time, these mechanisms lose efficiency little by little. So, when free radicals are greater than the antioxidant capacity of the cell, they can create damage to the cell itself. This phenomenon is called oxidative stress. The most attached cellular components are proteins, phospholipids, and above all, DNA. In fact, genes begin to produce abnormal proteins that are attacked by our immune system, triggering the process of autoimmunity and the decline of bodily functions. This explains why collagen, muscle, bones, and neurons are consumed over the time. Oxidative stress has also been associated with various diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Another element that contributes to longevity is the microbiota, which, for those who do not remember, it is the set of good bacteria that populate our organism and that perform essential functions for it. In this regard, I suggest you to watch our video about dysbiosis. But why am I talking about the microbiota? Because according to a recent study by the University of Shanghai, the microbiota of healthy over 90s people seem to be characterized by greater richness, robustness, and diversity than younger subjects. Remember to keep trained, because from the age of 30, the brain begins to lose a certain number of neurons every day due to a process called apoptosis, a kind of programmed cell death. Countering this decline is possible thanks to physical exercise, which plays a protective role against the nervous tissue. Physical activity, in fact, allows the muscles to release some neuroactive substances that stimulate the synthesis of a factor called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. These factors helps support the survival of existing neurons and promotes the growth and the differentiation of new neurons and synapses. Well, let's now talk about some natural remedies that can help our body to keep his longevity. The first one is the turmeric. Recent research has shown many properties in turmeric. The first of these is its antioxidant property, but also it has anti-arthritics and anti-inflammatory properties. That is, it is capable of inhibiting the formation of inflammatory substances on our body. The many beneficial actions of turmeric are enhanced by the synergy with resveratrol. Resveratrol exerts a marked antioxidant action superior to that of vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. It is used successfully in the treatment of cardiovascular pathologies, in hypertension, the risk of which increases with aging. Another plant very useful in these cases is the pomegranate. The ellagic acid contained in it is anti-atherosclerosis because it reduces the formation of plaques, especially at the level of the carotids. and it tends to lower blood pressure and has a strong antioxidant and anti-free radical action, enormously increasing by the body defenses. Enormously increasing the body's defenses. Now I would like to talk to you about probiotics because they rebalance the microbiota and therefore ensure that it defends us from pathogen attacks and keep our immune system balanced in a very, very efficient way. Okay, let's talk now about three plants: ginseng, schizandra, and eleuterococcus. They are tonic adaptogen roots. It means that they help the body to adapt to stressful situations or during intense physical activity, and they also can improve memory and concentration. Okay. All these active ingredients are included in some of our supplements. The first supplement is Immunosix. Its name depends on the fact that it contains 6 active ingredients that work in synergy with each other to exert an antioxidant and preventive action on those disorders that can contribute to oxidative stress. Among these active ingredients, we have turmeric, resveratrol, and pomegranate, to which rhodiola rosea, coenzyme Q10, and lycopene are added. The second supplement is Total Probiotic. It's a food supplement formulated with a mix of 8 different strains of lactic ferments, Bifidobacteria, Lactobacillus, and Streptococcus thermophilus. This association was chosen to make the most of the synergistic action of these lactic ferments, capable together to ensuring a powerful efficacy. Last but not least, Energy Forte. Energy Forte contains the 3 roots, ginseng, eleuterococcus, and schizandra, to which soy and spirulina are added. It is excellent for overcoming moments of stress, to support periods of competitive physical activity, and it improves memory and concentration. To understand when and how to take these supplements, always remember to consult a doctor to whom you can illustrate these products by downloading the information sheets found in the links here on the left. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. A greeting from Spezieria Palazzo Vecchio.